Envy is one of the hurtful sins of humans. Envy is a feeling of resentment or discontent over another's superior attainment, endowments, or possessions. When someone feels envious of another, they are actually feeling inferior to that person because they have seen their accomplishments, actions, resources, and desires to have the same for themselves. Also, the envious one thinks that it is beyond their ability to acquire, attain, or manifest those things that the person they envy have. The question is, why would you spend your entire life searching outside yourself for what is better or what is your perception of outstanding achievement? If you would only look within yourself and see the unique qualities that you possess, the great potential within you, the purpose that God created you to accomplish. You have greatness within you, so there is no need to envy others. You may say, I do not know what are my gifts, talents, purpose, etc. If that is so, why not ask your Creator? After all, He is the one who placed them within you. As children of God, we should allow God's Spirit to lead our thoughts, our words, and our actions instead of following our sinful desires. Envy is identified as one of the sins we are inclined to take part in when we refuse to walk by the power of God's Spirit. Read what Galatians chapter 5, 19 to 21 says. May God help us to walk in the power of His Holy Spirit. Be blessed always.